Hello, today me, Rika Isakova, will present you the recent Forex news on InstaForex TV. Taking into consideration a good growth at the stock markets in 2009 and easing of problems of 2008, we can possibly wait for better times. This can prompt the market participants to exert more risk inclination, especially when the situation in the Wall Street is improving, as the American banks return funds given earlier by the US government and they are going to make out their own plan of actions. How to feel yourself comfortable in such situation? We're going to see rather volatile investors' attitude to risk, as they have to limit their optimism in the present economic reality. Even despite that the investors will focus on factors for different currencies, in any case the dominative interest to the risky asset trading will be stable in 2010. It can lead to the year of consolidation, during which the price upturn of risky assets would not match the appreciation in 2009. Further will be mentioned 8 main issues of currency markets in January. The first one is potential. Will the investors increase the shares at the beginning of the year that will strengthen the risk inclination and risky assets demand, or are we going to observe a decline of trading activity in the new year? As a rule, in January is set up the trading pace of stock markets, which runs the whole year. Due to this, it will be interesting what funds volume will be involved to the trading. The second issue is related to the US dollar. In 2010, the American currency will probably be in the limelight, as well as arguments concerning that if the central banks must continue diversifying their currency reserves from the dollar, the diversification is likely to go on stepwise. Meanwhile, the central banks will not hurry to get rid of the dollar, having no attractive alternatives. The third issue is the prospects of economic upsweep in different countries. In 2010, an uprise of the world's economic activity is to slow down, because the governments are removing the stimulation and the employment rate is still low. The most essential question for the investors is where the economic revival will be the strongest one. Asia may be one of the economic advancement leaders, as the home demand supports some countries such as Indonesia and China. Amid this, in the USA will remain a weakness, especially in the labor market. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Rika Isakova. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.